Welcome back, guys. So this is a challenge 3 where it shows active project team members. So what we have to write is basically have to write a query that returns all the active employees who are assigned to at least one active project. So if the employees are currently working and if they're assigned to at least one project, then it should be visible. It should be displayed. And each assigned project must be in a separate row. Alright, so till now we were just using simple queries, but here we have multiple tables, so you have to join each table. So we have to we'll learn how to join each table and extract information from multiple tables at once. So for now, for first, we'll say select e.name, that is employee name. E.name is basically employee name as employee name. So from now we'll be using it as employee name and followed by p.project name. So the project name is also mentioned from the table P from assignments A. So basically assignment is one more table. We are giving that the name of A. Now we have to join. So join is basically used for connecting. So how do we join is you can see employees table also has an employee ID. Assignments table also has an employee ID. So what we'll do is join employees E. So join this employees based on assignments.employee ID should be equal to employee.employee ID. So whatever it is there here should be equal to this. Simple. That's what it says. Similarly, join projects.project ID with the assignments.project ID. So now this and this table is connected and this table is connected. Now, after this connection, we say where employee status is active. So the employee should be active. So till now we have just connected. Now the condition says active employees are assigned to at least one active project. So now we have two conditions. One is active employees, one is active project. So the first one is active employees. So employee status should be active and it is not or, it is and followed by project status is also active. So what does it say? This is basically a Boolean operator. You can see here project is active should be true and p dot is active is also true. Order by ascending. So basically what do we do? It is basically ascending order that is in the alphabetical order. Let me submit the program. Yeah, so you can see employee name Abhay is assigned to project alpha. Alice is also assigned to project alpha. Alice is also assigned to project beta. So two projects for Alice. So similarly, everybody is assigned to at least one project and active are being displayed here. So the submission is accepted and I'll see you in the next video.